Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to transfer money through Wise and you want to use Wise money transfer in Japan, then this video is for you. So if you're Japanese and you want to use a Wise for money transfer worldwide and in your own location. So first thing you have to know about Wise. Wise is a platform, a legitimate platform there where you can find the transparency and the fast money transfer from any corner to another corner of world. So if you're using from Japan, so that interface might different. So in each and every region, Wise interface might be different according to the current location. So in Japan, it might look like this, where you can find send, add money and request button. Now you can add the Japanese yen currency. If it's not added, you can find it this list, the Japanese yen. But if it's not added, then you can do is scroll to the right, at the very right, and you can find the plus icon from here. So simply click on it where you will be able to add the currency. So you can simply click on this drop down button where you can find the Japanese yen that you can use to your balance. So once you have clicked on it, you can find it is just added. Also you can do is when you have just choose your Japanese yen balance here, then you can find you can add this or deposit money to your account. So simply click on this plus icon here where it will ask for add money. This section will look like this where you can add the money from here, like amount to add to Wise. So you have to add the amount, and then here you have to add the payment method. In this case, it actually depends on the location how you can find the payment methods, what Wise actually offers the payment method for you are available on your current location. So in Japan there is bank transfer, debit card is available, also credit card is available there. So you can choose any of them from here. So if you have choose debit card, then you have to add all of the details about your debit card, including the card number, CVV, and the expiration date. So once you have added your payment method, then you have to do is make sure that your Wise account is completely verified. So you have to give the proof of address document you want to upload. So you have to give a government valid ID, government issued valid documents that can give a proof of your address, of your residency, and also about yourself. So once you have added this document and verify yourself, then you will be able to add and send money through Wise from Japan. So now you have to do is simply click on send. So when you want to send the money in your country, in any person who lives in your same country or outside of your country, then you have to do is simply click on send, where you will be able to choose the currency. So you send exactly, because you are from Japan, so you can choose the yen here. So once you have added the amount of yen that you want to send, then you can find the recipient gets that amount that after deducting the fees. So here you can find includes fees here, that how much fees it will deducted Wise. So that much fees will be deducted after deducting this, or you can choose any currency from here by simply click on it. For example, you want to send to USA, so the recipients here you can choose the USA, USD, that means United States dollar. So it will convert it according to the mid currency conversion rate with the best rate here, then it will convert it. So this is the transparency of Wise that is pretty good and attract more users. Now here is the paying with the bank transfer. You can choose it. Here you can find also more options from here, like bank transfer, debit card, or more from here. So once you have added this, simply click on continue. When you choose that what you would like to use for paying, so simply click on continue. Then after continuing, you have to do is simply click on search Wise. Here you can go with the search Wise, or you can give that person or send that money through the bank. So if that person, the recipient, is available on Wise and it is he or she is added with your Wise account, then you can search for them with the Wise tag. That is, you have to search for just address and their username, and you can find their account where you can select them as a recipient and you can send money to their exact amount. Also you can add their email address and phone numbers. Once you have added this, you can also find them. So but if you don't they don't have the Wise but you want to transfer them, then you can use this bank option. So you can simply click on enter bank details, where you can select who's your recipient. It could be yourself. If you want to transfer it to your own bank account, then you can go with the myself. But if it's another person like your friends, family, or any of a special person or any other person who actually whom you are actually paying, or any service that you have got from that person and you want to pay him through the Wise in your country or outside of your country, then you can select the someone else. So once you have selected this, it will look like this. The interface might look like this. So you have to add their bank details, like their account holder name, the full name of account holder. Make sure you have get the proper information whom you are sending. So after adding that account holder name, then you have to add this the bank name from where that person can receive. So you can simply click on drop down, and after selecting that location that you have selected the currency, when you actually set the amount, so that time you it will show you the bank according to that exact location. So if you're sending to your Japan person to person, from the Japan same country, so you can find all the bank that is available in Wise from Japan, you can find here. So once you have choose that, you have to choose the branch name. So it's actually the from actually depend on the current location. It might change according to the location. So you have to add the fulfill information from here for successful transaction. So once you have added this, you might, if you don't verified your account yet, then it will also ask for verification. Only after verify your Wise account, you will be able to pay that person. Then you can find the paid phase. So when you are on pay phase, then you will be able to send that money, and you can find in the history or transaction details, you can find the transaction status, if it's success or not. Then in within 1 or 2 business days, the bank transfer or the bank will get your the recipient will get their expected money from the bank. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.